Hi guys, Hugh here from Square Labs. Today I'm going to take you through a tutorial on how we can create pop-up notifications inside Zoho CRM using client script. It's a pretty short one, so I'll get straight into it. I'm going to give you a demo of the two different types of pop-ups. So the first one here, if I refresh this page, is accounts. This is called an alert. Now this means that you have to acknowledge the pop-up to continue. So you got to click OK to continue. The other option here, and if I just remove that there, save that, and now refresh. Now this is a pop-up message. So we've got a little message that pops up and we can change it to be a warning, an info, a success for sort of message. So you really blue, green, yellow, and red, as you can see here. What we're doing in this function is we are getting the pop-up notes field object. We are going to get the value of that object. And then if that value has data, so it's not null or empty, we're going to continue. Otherwise, we don't need any pop-ups to show up if there's no data in that pop-up field. Now you can obviously add a bit more logic to all of this, but this keeps it nice and simple. So what I'm going to do here is close this one and show you how you can set one up, for example, maybe on the deals module. So inside settings, you go down to developer hub. We're going to click client script. We can then click new script. We're going to just call this pop-up note. On our category, we've got module. We're going to go down here and go detail page. You can obviously have a bunch of different triggers here. You know, if the user is editing the page, you want the pop-up to pop up, then you can. So we can click detail page. I'm going to select the module to be deals. And this is going to be a page event. And we're going to go on load. All right, so when the page loads for the deal, you can just delete this stuff. I'll put some code in the description there for you. But here we've just got the pop-up note field object. You can update the field that you want here to be the API name. And you can get that from the settings developer space API names. We're going to get the value and then you can choose what kind of message you want. So I might have warning on this one and click save. And now if I go to a deal for King, I'll add a pop-up note and click save on that. And now I'll just refresh my page and you'll see I've got a orange warning pop-up note that's appearing. That should be enough to get you started with some pop-up notes in your system. If you have any questions, put it in the comments below. If you like these little tutorials here, make sure you subscribe for more in the future. Cheers.